Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Probability problems involving dice can seem tricky, but this one is actually super simple once you break down the mechanics of a fair 12-sided die roll. A fair 12-sided die has 12 distinct outcomes. Since the die is fair, each integer from 1 to 12 has an equal chance of appearing on any single roll. Boom! Previous rolls do not influence future results. The die has no memory, so the probability of rolling a 7 remains constant regardless of what happened in the first 3 trials. Comparing our result to the choices, we see that the probability of rolling a 7 is exactly 1/12, which matches the definition of a fair die. You got this! Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Ignore past outcomes because fair odds are independent, so don't fall for the gambler's trap.